Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Bing AI. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Microsoft Edge and you're going to come to this section over here where it says chat. So once you click on chat, as you can see, it's going to open up chat. So this is Bing Chat with ChatGPT 4. So if you click on this, this is basically your Bing AI. Now you can ask it anything. So let's say I'm going to write, tell me how to fix my, let's say, sound error in Windows 10. Okay, you can ask it anything, and it's going to give you all the recurring responses. Even if you make a typo, it's going to correct that for you. It's going to go with the nearest correct experience. As you can see, it says, hello, this is Ring. I'm sorry that you have issues. And it's going to start generating answers for you. Obviously, it's slower right now because maybe, the service is heavy right now. The service is more, you could say, crowded. But once it's not crowded, it's pretty easy to go ahead and walk yourself through these things. Okay. So basically, you can use Pictory for AI content creation. So the account creation process is pretty simple. You're going to click on Get Started for free. Okay. There's no credit card required when you go through the sign up process. So you're just going to click on those things, and here you're going to come to sign up. Now, once you come over here, it's going to take you through the all the processes. Now, when it comes to creating things with Pictory, basically it first gives you different templates to work with, okay? So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead, okay? I'm going to add an email. There we go. You're going to create a password for yourself. Make sure that it's a strong and well-built password. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this. Now, once you continue this, basically what happens from here is that you are going to be taken to this section where it's going to give you all the editorial sequences. And you can do a lot of things in Pictory. You can go from script to video in about minutes, turn blog posts into videos for better SEO and reduced bounce rates, transform long videos into engaged branded clips for social media like TikTok and stuff. And then all you're going to do is you're going to verify the payment method with your credit card. And once you get all those things, you can achieve all of these settings and all of these features in the shortest amount of time. And it was created for sales and CRM and just to make your CRM and sales better. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot. Okay, and it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person, an expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topic, a familiar design that's accessible and easy to use, and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff, but after that, look at that. You can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between a Jasper and ChatGPT Plus. Is you're going to come to Google and you're going to write Google Bard. And it's going to bring you to bard.google.com. And that is exactly what we're going to want to go to. So we're going to go to Bard. It says chat-based AI tool. Now, once you go to Bard, it's going to bring you right here into Bard experimenting. And, as you can see, Bard was just updated. Now you can ask anything of Bard. You can create anything of Bard. Let's say you want to create a social post. So outline my social media post from my network from my summer internship. Let's say you want to add that in. So you're going to click on that. And obviously it's going to generate a whole post for you, which is pretty incredible, right? Then moving on, you can also add in images. And so look at this over here. It's going to create a whole outline for you with a headline, body, call to action, additional tips. And then look at this. It gives you the whole body to work with. You can also ask a coding question. So you can write me a random code in C++. Okay, you can ask it to do that. And once you ask it to do that, it's even going to do that for you. So this is basically how you're going to be using Bard. And look at that. It's going to write me an actual code in C++ that I can add into my program, and it's obviously going to work pretty incredibly. So it says, here's another C++ code that creates a simple guessing game with a twist. This is, a random poem combining creativity and randomness. So pretty incredible. You're going to click on generate, and obviously, as you can see, it was empty, but now it has a cheetah over there. And you can also add anything you want. So basically, you're going to open up your Photoshop, and you're going to go to any picture you have. Let's say we have this picture. You're going to go to the selection tool and then just select a part of your photo. Here it says use any selection tool to select an object or area in your image, and select the generate a fill button in the contextual taskbar. Write a prompt describing the object or scene you want to generate in the text entry prompt box, or leave it blank, and Photoshop will fill in the selection based on the surroundings. And then finally, click generate. And obviously, you're going to get to see the whole thing. And it turns it into something cool pretty fast. So that's why I like this a lot, and you should use this for yourself as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Music AI voice changer real time. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this music AI voice changer in the real time in the easiest way. So this voice changer that we have is called voice-swap AI, okay? And you can simply write music AI voice changer over here, and you can get this in the top. Obviously, we have voice mod as well, which is one of the most famous ones when it comes to Discord. But obviously, we're going to use voice swap because voice swap was only made for, musicians. Now, basically, you can try it pretty simply. Obviously, it has its pricings and all that you are going to need to go ahead with. So you're going to sign up with your emails and all. Now, once you sign in, it takes you to the verification sections. It takes you to the mailing sections. So just go ahead and verify yourself. And once you verify yourself, it takes you into the obvious in-depth workings and analysis of how this software is supposed to work with you. So this is how it's going to look. You have all these artists that you can work with. Now, you're going to click on any artist to get started. You have session artists as well. These are obviously AI. So I'm going to go ahead with this person over here, Chuck Roberts. And once you go over here, you're just going to choose. Chuck Roberts is one of the house music's most iconic notes. I waited all day. I stayed up all night by the phone way. So you can see that this person's voice is AI and it's pretty good. So you can write any type of text you want to, or drag or upload your own mic audio, and they will obviously convert it. So that is how you can do real-time voice switching in the easiest way. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Canva AI Image Generator 2024 Full Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Canva's new AI image generator, how we're going to use it, and how we can integrate it into new recurring different designs, okay? So to start things off, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, we're going to come over to canva.com. So I'm going to be showing you how you can, generate images using AI, and then how you can implement it into actual designs, okay? So to start things off, what we are going to do is we're going to come over here to apps. Now, once you go to apps, from here, what's going to happen is you're going to come down here and you're going to click on AI powered. Now, once you click on AI powered, you get tons and tons of generators. You get DALL-E, you get Imagine, and all of these different types of things. Now, the best ones are Magic Media and DALL-E, so it depends on whichever you want to use. I would suggest going with the Magic Media because obviously that's Canva's very own Magic AI generator, but I'm also going to use DALL-E just to give you an idea on how both of these work, okay? So to start things off, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up, okay? And I'm going to open this up in a new design. I'm going to open up a new design, and let's give it some Instagram post radius. So once we do that, I'm going to come to Magic Media as well, just to, get a basic idea on a new design. So again, I'm going to come here, Instagram post. So here we have two Magic AI image generators, DALL-E and, Magic Media. So they both work very, similarly. All you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put in a prompt. Now, when it comes to Magic Media, you can use images and you can create videos. It uses Runway to create videos. It's experimental right now, and you have 5 credits, okay? even in this, you have 50 credits. So basically, after using these 50 credits on photos and 5 credits on videos, you're gonna have to, buy Canva Pro. Without that, you won't be able to use it. Dolly, on the other hand, only gives you 3 credits. After that, you have to buy Canva Pro, and that is how you're going to be using Dolly. So I'm going to be using these credits for you guys today and, showing you the full capability of the stuff. So first of all, you have styles and aspect ratio. Which aspect ratio do you want this in? I'm going to keep it in square so it fits well. And then we have styles. So you have photography styles, you have digital art styles, and then you have fine art styles. So let's first of all go with this. I'm going to go with some vibrant styling. And from vibrant styling, it says describe the image that you want and we will generate it for you. You can also, by the way, try an example where it tells you this stuff. The dim lit room with people eating at a table, 18th century. But I'm going to, take that off and I'm going to write my own prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 people standing on a hill, camera hand at their backs, and obviously we're 5 people standing on a hill, camera panned at their backs, and obviously we're gonna go ahead and add landscape, retro, sunny, city life in front of them, Cadillac beside them. Okay, so that's a very hefty, prompt. So let's go ahead and generate that. Let's see what it gives us, and you know, let's see where it takes us from. So we're just gonna wait for it to generate, and I'm gonna bring it back to you. So as you can see on the left-hand side, now you have your prompts generated. So you have 4 prompts, this, and this. Now you can see the vibrant vibe from it. It looks pretty cool, right? So I'm going to bring this one over here just to see how it looks. And look at that. And now if we increase its size, that's the best part about creating an image through AI. You never lose its quality as like even if you make it big. So look at that. City in the bag, it seems retro, gives a very vibrant vibe. Now obviously the faces of the people aren't the greatest. Now the reason for that is because AI doesn't really capture a real life person's face very well. But yeah, you get the main vibe of it. And you get 4 variants of it. Plus, you can also change its style from, the style section. So let's say I want it to be neon and I'm going to click on generate it again. So let's say you're trying to make a collage, okay? So just going to keep it like this and I'm just going to increase its size a bit. There we go. So now you can pretty easily create a collage with the other pictures as well. So look at that. It started creating these retro images. So I'm going to add this one over here and look at how cool that looks. Like this is the type of stuff that Canva is good at creating. So I'm just going to match it over here and look at that. So now we have a very retro and cool vibe going on. Then let's go with some concept art. And while we're at this, let's also go ahead and discuss Dolly, okay? So in Dolly, you do the same thing, but in this, there's no style. You're just gonna enter your prompt and they're gonna give it to you. So, let's go ahead and write retro image of, so I'm gonna write retro image of a metal band performing at Woodstock. Woodstock is this performance venue. So I'm just going to go ahead and generate this. All that is being generated. Look at that. So now it's created a concept art and that looks really nice. It looks really cool. I'm just going to add it to my design, make it smaller. There we go. And obviously you're just going to wait for the quality to settle in. It takes a few seconds to load in. And there we go. Now the quality settled in. And finally, what we're going to do is let's change it to Filmic as well. Let's say I want a Filmic font. And while that is going on, look at this. DALL-E has created this for us. Now, DALL-E basically gives you the most realistic pictures, in my opinion. Like after Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, obviously, DALL-E will give you very realistic pictures. So look at this. It actually looks like a band poster. Again, the faces, don't go on them because, it's AI. AI is not the greatest at faces, but you get the retro vibe. And this is actually Woodstock. Woodstock stage did look like this. It's a metal band performing. and pretty cool stuff. And finally, we're over here, we get the filmic vibe. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to add it right here, make it smaller. There we go. And yeah, there we are. So you can see we made this 4 picture collage through AI. We made it through Magic AI. We made it through the magic pictures that we just used. And I'm simply going to go ahead and download this. And then you have this as well. And you're going to see that the image quality of these is absolutely out of this world. So yeah, that is how you're going to be using the image AI in Canva. So I hope that was, fun to watch for you. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Free text to video AI generator. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can convert your text to video in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to start things off, what you are going to be doing is you're going to come over to Invideo.io and you're going to go to Invideo AI. And once you're in Invideo AI, you're going to go to AI text to video. And here you can see you can turn text to video right now. No credit card required. It's totally free. You're just going to need to sign up with their platform. Okay. And you're going to write any text in the prompt box that they give you. And once you write that text, they're going to give you that video. Obviously, it might not be the greatest, but it is pretty acceptable. It looks pretty nice, and it's pretty dope that you're going to get this totally for free. So convert text to video with AI. Easiest way to turn text to video with AI is here. Create videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok with simple text prompts for yourself. Yeah, and that's pretty much about it. Invideo IO, check it out right now and start creating. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Midjourney tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Midjourney and how you can use this absolutely incredible application called Midjourney. Okay, it's totally AI related, and to start using this, first of all, I'm going to show you the showcase where, people have actually shown what they make using Midjourney. And Midjourney is obviously pretty independent. Now, to start using Midjourney, you're going to click on join the beta, where they're going to make you join a Discord server. Okay, Midjourney only works on Discord. So they're going to give you a Discord server where you can go ahead and make things like these. Look at this art. It's absolutely out of this world, isn't it? So what you're going to do is you're going to add prompts for yourself in Midjourney. Okay, so look at these prompts. Now, to make this, what you're going to do, again, Discord, you're going to continue to your Discord where you're going to accept the invite. And once you do that, you're going to run up your Discord. Now, I'm already in the Midjourney server, so let me show you how it works. So once you run up Midjourney, as you can see, it loads you in, so make roles and stuff. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Midjourney server. Now, Midjourney server is going to be right here. It's going to look somewhat like that. Over here, you're going to go to any room, okay? Now, generally, you should go in the general room. So let's say I'm going to go to general 9, okay? So there's tons and tons of room. Now, to generate something, you're going to write slash imagine, and then it's going to give you a prompt, okay? So in this prompt, you're going to write whatever, like, red color in the sky, etc., something like that. And that is how you can use Midjourney. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Jasper AI tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Jasper AI. So Jasper AI is a co-pilot for different marketing teams. Now, Jasper was created for all these marketing platforms, okay? And it was created for sales and CRM and just to make your CRM and sales better, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot, okay? And it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person. An expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topics. A familiar design that's accessible and easy to use and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff. But after that, look at that. You can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat, because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between a Jasper and ChatGPT Plus. So, definitely use Jasper AI, sign up, and start using it right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Copilot AI from Microsoft. In this particular example, guys, we're going to use very balanced over here on the settings creative mode that will help us to start a business. In the first example that we're going to go over here, guys, we're going to ask what products are good to start an e-commerce business in 2024 based on Google Trends. Let's see. In the previous video, guys, we used Bart AI to start a dropshipping store. We got amazing results. We got Google Trends, all the top search products around Christmas. We got amazing. You definitely want to go out on the channel and find this video as well. Let's see how the Copilot will perform in comparison with. So what we're having over here, let's see. That's a great question. E-commerce, dynamic competitive, blah blah blah. Sustainable products, consumers are becoming more. That's not what I'm looking for. Give me exact products. You see, that's not good. How about stop? We need to stop replying. Okay. Sustainable products, personalized products, smart products. That's not what I'm looking. How about based on search volume? What are the most searched products recently on Bing search? It didn't answer us for Google search. I think we all know why, but they cannot skip the question for Bing search. Let's see. Based on the web search results, same thing. Oh my gosh, this is very bad, guys. Unfortunately, it looks like I cannot recommend you because they simply cannot help us. Can you even give us a practical information aside from generic sustainable products examples? Let's see. Keep giving us this same tech. I'm sorry if you're not satisfied with previous answer. I was trying to give you some trending categories of products. If you want to check, where do you sending me? So if you want a more practical information, you can check out some of the resources that I found from my tool. For example, so guys, if you pay very close attention, if you watch other videos, we did case studies. Bing is very strong of giving you sources. It's giving you links to the website. It's not strong of building its own conclusions, which I don't know. If we click on this, for example, they give us a practical e-commerce, which provides news, tips, guidance, and examples of online e-commerce. If you click on this one, why would I click on this one? Charts of 2024, outlook of global CEOs, January 24. It looks like some blog post or something. Also, they gave us how to start a business from scratch, guide from Shopify, another useful resource, guide to comma, crazy egg. So guys, I cannot recommend you using a Copilot for starting a business or any real life advice or real life navigation or tutorial how to do something. Obviously, so far I can tell you that Bart AI is the winner. It beat ChatGPT. ChatGPT has outdated information and very confusing generic propositions and answers. So if you really want to look to find, we created a Shopify business using Bart AI. Go out and find the video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to have access to Bart AI and we're going to ask Bart AI how to make money in 2024 online, judging by simply him having the best Google search results, best content put it out there, generated from Google search and all the social medias combined. This is the series number 4, guys. And in series number 1, we went to personal finance. Series number 2, we went to how you could save money. In series number 3, we went through how you can get out of debt. And this is series number 4, in which we're going to focus on how to make money online in 2024. So far, we've been getting a lot of amazing strategies throughout the whole financial journey. Let's see what is based on Google Trends over here, guys. How and where you should approach this year. Okay, according to Bart AI, 2024 has a lot of opportunities for online money-making skills. Let's focus on details. Number 1 is freelancing. Essentially, over here, they try to send you to create your side hustle gigs on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. This include writing, editing, graphic design, web development, programming, marketing. Okay, but I want something more specific. Let's ask, what about using AI to make money online in 2024? Let's see something more upgraded, guys. Let's use the vast capacity of Bart AI. Okay. The idea number 1 is AI-powered content creation. Generate blog posts, articles, and even scripts with AI writing tools like Jasper or Shortly AI. Essentially, over here, guys, they are suggesting you that you should start your own blog and you should start posting blogs. The second suggestion is to create engaging social media content with AI-powered tools like Canva or Lumen 5. Essentially, they will offer you or they will create you templates, images or music suggestions where you can actually sell to your audience or simply use to generate followers. The third one will be to develop personalized learning materials as ebooks using the AI. Tools like Shortly AI can help you tailor content for a specific audience and learning styles. This is very good. Guys, you should definitely check out this. I personally going to check out this after I finish this video. Second suggestion in chapter 2 will be AI-driven product development, design and sell unique products using AI tools such as Midjourney. I'm using this. These platforms allows you to generate custom artwork, clothing patterns. A very important note over here, guys, you want to make sure you have the rights to use the designs on materials. Some of these platforms still keep the rights or you have to pay for a special additional license. Okay, personalized products on demand with AI, use AI generated custom images, engraving. Okay, this is a good idea. Or messages or physical products like mug scans, print on demand, so on and so forth. The suggestion number 3, AI powered marketing and sales. Target your ideal customers with laser precision using tools like Google Ads. You can run ad campaigns, you can run Facebook ad campaigns, Google ad campaigns. You can start a marketing agency over here. This is what comes to my mind over here, guys. And you can simply create and schedule marketing campaigns and posts for other people. And they can simply opt in for like a weekly or monthly packages. You can run the whole marketing for like 100 companies a month. Chapter number 4, AI assistant, investing and trading. I tried this one. We built a AI bot trading, didn't perform so well. According to them, gain valuable insights in financial markets with AI-powered investment platforms. automate your trading decisions with AI powered trading bots. I think the opportunity over here, guys, will be if you can use AI to provide like a real-time data and analysis, like a big data using AI. And last chapter over here is to offer AI powered services. Become AI consultant to help businesses to integrate into AI. Yeah, this is again like a corporate software, like I would say Salesforce replaced by AI type of stuff. So guys, as we saw, we extract so much important information and save you a tons of time here for 5 minutes. You saw what is currently trending and where people are actually focusing and starting business on. This is why the power of AI, BART AI, it's very important. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a 10 free shorts out of a long form video. Very easy, very simple. We're going to use an AI app that will cut and do all the work for you, okay? Very easy guys, very simple. First thing, let's find a video that we want to cut, right? Let's launch the YouTube. Let's say for example you're into politics, okay? I know. Let's say you want to get this video from yesterday's debate, right? And you want to cut this video into 10 small shorts. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the three dots under the video and then we're gonna click share. We're gonna copy the link. Okay, pay attention, this video it's around 10 minutes long. Okay, now after we copy the link, I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to find this app over here. It's called Opus Pro. Okay, it's not Opus AI. I see this many people making this mistake coming on Opus AI. It's Opus Pro. Okay, you want to click on Opus Pro and this is where you're going to sign up for free and you're going to paste the link that we just copied. Okay, the main point over here is that they will generate 10 short videos and they're gonna send you an email when the videos are ready. You don't have to stay on this page at all. So just paste the link, click get clips over here, and they're gonna send you 10 shorts. The shorts will look like this with captions. You can select the styles and the post. Each post will be coming with ranking, ranked from 1 to 10 with the highest chance of getting viral. Okay, number 1 will be the highest chance of the video getting viral. Number 10 will be the less likelihood, and they will be coming with small description, right? So you can actually use it. It's very, very easy, guys. Again, it's free. You will have a certain amount of credits. Okay, so after you run out of credits, then you can opt in for the paid subscription and the other version with unlimited credits. But essentially this is how you start. Just get your feet wet, see what works for you, what doesn't, and then move on. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.